Hi everybody! I was in the process of doing another packing video for another bag when this little box came, and I'm so happy because in here I have the bag I was looking for ages now. Sorry, I'm gonna drop him. And I have never done this kind of a video before. It will be an unboxing video, and we will see what bag is in here. Oh, I really hope I'm gonna like it. Okay, so it's another KeriKit bag. Surprise, surprise. So I have bought this bag from a lovely lady from eBay, and it is, according to the description, it is new, never been used. So I'm really, sorry, I'm so excited. Let's open it up. And here it is. This blue color. Nothing is like this one. I'm telling you, nothing. Oh, there are still the plastic on everything, so it is new. So let's just get rid of all of this. I will check if it came with a luggage tag or not. If not, it's not a big deal because I already have purchased one customized. Oh. Really, I don't remember when was the last time that I was so excited about a bag than this one. So let's just take me off all the plastic, and then I will go through with you how, where is it? All the features of it. And of course, I'm gonna do lots of packing videos with this bag. For sure. Okay. So, let's start with me putting the tag on, just to, yeah. Okay, so there are two bottle pockets on the side. There is one zipper pocket here in the front. There are double zipper pulls, and this is how the mum pocket opens. I'll just taking the stuffing out. It's really deep, so you can see that almost half of my arm is in there. You have card slits for your cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 pen loops, and an elasticated pocket. This pocket doesn't go down all the way down, it goes like this deep. And the leather is so smooth. So smooth. On the top you have one pocket. It is quite shallow. On the back you have one more zipper pocket, and it goes all the way here. I know already that my phone and my wallet will go in there. I like to keep them there because it feels more secure. So the zippers goes down right above to the bottle pocket. 2 zipper pulls, and it opens like this. The bag came with multi-use zipper pouch, which I am gonna use. It's a really great size. I just put it there. There's nothing in there. Oh, here. Okay, so there is 1 zipper pocket here on top, which goes. So it will start here, and it goes down. Here, up, down there. And there is a packet, laptop sleeve, which can be closed with a snap. There are 2 elasticated pockets on the sides and 2 on the front. Let me just grab some other bags and show you how the color compares to them. Okay. So here is, let me see if it's, yeah, it fits the frame. So here is the Orchid Heart Milan in the brown Prosperity color. Antique Rose. I mean, how gorgeous is this? Let me just put the warrior tassel on the Joy. Look at that. They are so perfect for each other. Really. Here is the US Thor in the black color. And last but not least, my KeriKit Lennox in the ice gray. So I'm gonna spend the rest of my time to pack this one up in different ways. Oh yeah, I have forgotten something. Here you see, this is meant to be, I don't know if it's meant to be, but this one can be used as a travel bag. And if you can see this on the zipper pulls, when you shut them, there is a little loop where you can secure it, so no one can get into your bag. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I am coming back with a lot of packing videos with it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.